everybody's a Ferrari guy. So let's hear it for Maranello and all the motorsports fun that we love, and hopefully I can give you a couple downshifts you'll enjoy here. The windows are down. Bellissima, Forza Ferrari. Well, I hope you get the idea. Maybe not as loud as I would have liked, but still a little bit of good fashion fun in a Ferrari. Thanks for joining me. Have a great day.